Now, students, next component of food is proteins. Now, proteins are again very much important for our body. They are known as the building block of tissues. Means they help in building cells. Okay, all cells are made up of proteins. Okay, even if our body get some disease or some of the cells get damaged, then proteins help in repairing those cells. Okay, and these proteins help are obtained from plants and animals. Every person needs these proteins because in our body the wear and tear mechanism of cells keep on working. Okay, wear and tear mechanism का मतलब होता है कि जो पुराने cells हैं they keep on dying and the new cells they keep on forming. So in that whole process proteins they play the important role because they help in formation of new cells. ओके, स्पेशली जो प्रोटीन्स हैं उनकी ज़रूरत ज़्यादा किसको होती है? ग्रोइंग चिल्ड्रन को एंड प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज़ को एंड सिक पीपल को. ओके, ग्रोइंग चिल्ड्रन, प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज एंड सिक पीपल दे ऑल नीड proteins. Okay students, so proteins we get from pulses, we get from fish, we get from egg. Okay, so we get proteins from both animals as well as from plants. Okay, so it is also a very important component of our diet. Now the next is vitamins. Now vitamins are known as protective food because they help us to maintain our immunity. हमारी बॉडी को जो डिसीजेज होती है उनसे लड़ने की कैपेबिलिटी vitamins देते हैं. Now there are major 9 types of vitamins. Vitamin A, which is known as retinol, and it is good for eyes and skin. Then we have vitamin B, which is further of 4 types. Vitamin B1, B2, B3 and B12. Vitamin B1 is thiamine, which is good for heart and nervous system. Vitamin B2 is named as riboflavin and it is good for skin and the growth of the body. Then vitamin B3 is niacin. Niacin is good for skin and digestive system. It is also good for our nervous system. Then vitamin B12, which is known as cobalamin. It is good for brain and the working of nervous system and helps in the formation of RBCs. RBCs are red blood cells. Okay, then we have vitamin C. Vitamin C is chemically known as ascorbic acid and it is good for skin, good for bones, good for healing wounds. Okay, then we have vitamin D, which is also known as calciferol. Now it helps in strengthening our bones and helps in the absorption of calcium. Like अगर आपकी ब्लड में विटामिन डी प्रेजेंट होगा तो आपका जो ब्लड है वो कैल्शियम को एब्जॉर्ब कर पाएगा, अदरवाइज नहीं कर पाएगा. एंड इट इज़ फॉर्म्ड in the presence of sunlight by our body. We didn't get it from our diet. Nowadays a number of medicines are there which gives you vitamin D, but in our diet we didn't get it. It is formed in our body only in the presence of sunlight. Then we have vitamin E. Vitamin E is also known as tocopherol and it is good for skin and eyes. Then we have vitamin K, which is phylloquinone and it is helpful in clotting of blood. Okay, means if vitamin K is not present in your body, then your blood will not clot. If any cut occurs, then blood will keep on flowing through that cut. Then vitamins are majorly of 2 types, fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K. Okay, these are fat soluble. Like if you have fat in your body, then these vitamins will get soluble in fat. And we have water soluble vitamins like B and C, and these vitamins, if as they are water soluble, so they just keep on moving out of the body and we need to take them again and again in our daily diet. Okay students, so these are the major components of food which we have done: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Next we will do in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.